Hey everybody, welcome back to Caddy Girl Garage. So I found this beautiful 59 sedan. It has been tucked away in an indoor building on concrete floors for the past 46 years. It's a one family owned car. The gentleman that I bought it from, his wife's aunt actually bought the car new and drove it until somewhere in the mid 70s. So I believe that the mileage on the car is accurate. I don't believe it's rolled over. It's showing 64,000 and change. You'll see that odometer reading here in a minute. But also the door tag was serviced May 1st of 1970 and it only had 19,750 miles. So like I said, I believe the mileage is right on the dot. But we'll be cleaning this car up this week and getting it running. Hopefully the motor turns over by hand, so we want to get it turning over under its own power. But it's beautiful. It's a California car. I don't see any rust on it. I'm going to crawl under it and do some extensive looking for rust. But I'll be showing you guys everything as always. If anybody's interested in this car, my number will be in the end of the video. But it will be for sale soon. It's a beauty. Thanks for watching the channel as always, guys. I'll see you soon.